So, hi Crow. What is your part in the Snow Tiger?
Well, I play the part of Crow in the show, which is very easy for me because I am a crow.
How do you feel about Usko?
Usko? Well, he's very nice. He's got some cake apparently, so I'm hoping that he will share.
In terms of the story of the Snow Tiger, does it all end well?
I think it ends well. I don't really care, to be honest, as long as I get my cake.
And in terms of you, and the fact that you're a star, where do you see yourself in 5-10 years' time?
Oh, I see myself as leader of the crows, making sure that everything gets seen and gets reported back to me.
And what are you most looking forward to about this week?
Oh, I'm looking forward to all the little people coming in to see the show and leaving behind some treats and sweets for me.
Well, thank you very much, Crow. That was very informative.